Immensa gets classified as a supply chain technology company. Sometimes it gets labeled as an on-demand manufacturing. The way we see it, Immensa is a company that just transforms what's physical into the digital world. In today's world, there's really a big sort of separation between what's physical in nature and what's digital. And what we found missing is there's nobody there to really take what's physical into digital. It's very easy to create something from scratch, but taking existing physical products and moving into digital, there was a very big gap there. I'm Fahmi Al-Shawwa. I'm the CEO and founder of Immensa. So our mission is really creating the largest platform of on-demand manufacturing specific for the energy sector. So the core base of this is really creating a library of parts, of digital parts, which basically is creating 2D drawing, 3D drawing, manufacturing process, testing specifications, where various international oil companies actually tap into to produce and manufacture and source their spare parts on demand.
We're dealing with some of the world's largest oil and gas companies. They have a very different set of expectations to normal businesses, to smaller businesses. My name is Julian Callanan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Immensa. These customers have the highest requirements for quality, for safety, for precision, for accuracy. At Immensa, we're under pressure to be able to deliver all of these things at very short lead times.
One of the most exciting things is nobody's done it before. And when you go into uncharted, you really have a blank sheet and you end up experimenting a lot, iterating a lot, which personally I just enjoy. But I think everyone in the team just has that partnership of creating something, breakthroughs continuously.
What is interesting about working at Immensa is that every project is a new challenge. Whether it's an obsolete port or whether it's a totally damaged port that we have to revive again. All these kind of new things makes it very interesting to wake up in the morning and come show up in office. My name is Ammar Khalid. I'm the digitization team leader at Immensa. So most of the parts that we manufacture here are either polymer or metal parts, and we should provide parts that actually serves its purpose and it's reliable. The process is when we receive a spare part. The first step that we go through is the digitization, which is capturing the full story behind that using different Zeiss scanners to convert it into some kind of a data or an output that can be manufactured later on. So we make sure at the first step that we have the accurate scan files, because any small error in the beginning is going to amplify until downstream.
We want to do things one time. We want to get it right the first time we do it. We can't afford time to come back and revisit work.
One of the things that excites me a lot is when people ask me, where is this going? And I keep using an example saying, 5 years down the line, we're going to look back and think it was ludicrous that someone is putting a spare part in a box and shipping it. And I think in a matter of 2-3 years, the entire logistics and supply chain of the world is going to completely transform and change.